This is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So to start, I recommend that you begin with setting automatic time and date, or ensuring that the network provided date and time are enabled. So in order to do that, you'll need to go into Settings, System, then over here open, well, not Google, System, here it is. Then open the date and time page, and here enable those two options, the automatic date and time, as well as use network provided time zone. Well, if this didn't help, you might want to enter the Wi-Fi category of settings and toggle the Wi-Fi feature off and then put it back on. Or perhaps you might want to forget the network you're having issues with, like that, and then reconnect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network to see if it will get you anywhere. And the final advice, or the final troubleshooting method that I wanted to share with you today, is the restoration of default network settings and preferences, or to put it in other words, resetting network preferences and settings. In order to do that, you'll need to go into settings once again, then enter the system category. Here tap at the reset or network settings reset, and then just finish this procedure. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.